Most people think they aren't rich because they don't earn enough or because the economy is rigged. But what if I told you, before you even received your first paycheck, your brain was already wired to lose it? There is a financial thermostat hidden in your subconscious, set by your childhood, your environment, and your biology. If that thermostat is set to broke, it doesn't matter if you win the lottery tomorrow, you will find a way to burn it all. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 3 psychological triggers that are keeping you in a cycle of scarcity, and more importantly, I'll show you the exact reprogramming technique used by the top 1% to flip that switch. If you feel like you're running on a treadmill, working hard but staying in the same place, this is why. Psychologists call them money scripts. These are unconscious beliefs about money that we develop before the age of 7. Think back. What did your parents say about money? Was it, "We can't afford it," or "Rich people are greedy"? If you grew up believing money is the root of all evil, your brain will subconsciously sabotage your success to keep you good. It's a survival mechanism. Your brain values belonging more than wealth. If being rich means being different from your family, your subconscious will choose poverty just to stay part of the tribe. But wait, it's not just about your parents. There's a biological reason why your brain actually hates saving money. The second reason you're programmed to stay poor is hyperbolic discounting. It's a fancy term for a simple problem. Your brain prefers a small reward now over a massive reward later. In our ancestors' time, if you found food, you ate it immediately. You didn't invest a mammoth leg for next year. Today, that same instinct makes you buy that $1,000 iPhone on credit. But there's a darker layer: status anxiety. We don't buy things to have them, we buy them to show others we aren't falling behind. Modern marketing has hacked your biology to make you spend money you don't have to impress people you don't even like. You aren't buying a product, you're buying a temporary escape from the fear of being perceived as lower status. Here is the most dangerous part. Everyone has a financial comfort zone. If you suddenly make more money than you're used to, you'll experience wealth anxiety. You'll start spending impulsively or making bad luck mistakes just to get back to the level of stress you're familiar with. Why do 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within 5 years? It's not lack of math skills. It's because their internal identity didn't match their bank account. You will never outrun your self-image. If you see yourself as a struggler, you will always find a way to struggle. So, how do you break the program? It's not about working more hours, it's about identity shifting. First, audit your scripts. Write down every negative thing you believe about rich people, then find evidence to the contrary. Second, automate against your biology. Since your brain is wired to spend what it sees, move your savings before you see them. Outsmart your lizard brain. Third, the 24-hour rule. Every time you feel that dopamine hit to buy something, wait 24 hours. This moves the decision from the emotional brain to the rational brain. You weren't born to stay poor, you were just trained to. But the moment you become aware of the program loses its power over you. Rewiring your brain is the ultimate investment. The program only controls you as long as it's invisible. Now that you see it, you can change it. Hit subscribe to master your mind and take control of your wealth. I'll see you in the next one. Welcome to Finance and Psychology.